Down here is the fire alarm control panel, and actually there's two of them. The original one right up here would have been the Autocall, which was probably installed in the 1950s, and looks to me that they're now using this panel as a pass-through box. Yep. So when they hooked up the new panel, which is over here, that's the new one. Well, it's not new, but it was installed in 1987. It's a Simplex 2001-8001, and we'll get a closer look at that in a few seconds. But back over here, they left the original Autocall cabinet that the control panel would have been housed in, and as you can see, they're using it as a pass-through box for all the different wires that go to the different zones throughout the building. Down here, in the 80s, this panel was installed, this Simplex panel. And again, this is circa late 80s, probably 1987. And it's a 2001 panel. I've now taken the panel off, and we can see the interior of the control panel showing the various components. With this particular Simplex panel, we're not going to have any moving parts. At this stage of the game, everything was pretty much transistors, newer relays. There's a relay there. Have some backup batteries right here. But I did want to show you what the control panel looks like. Again, this building originally had an Autocall system installed in the 1950s, and sometime in the 80s, this Simplex panel was installed and tied into the old Autocall system. The original Autocall bells, which are 8-inch single-stroke bells, are still used as the audible signaling devices, and they do have newer Simplex pull stations that go with this particular control panel. So I'm going to go out into the hallway, and I'm going to set the system off so you can hear how this particular fire alarm system sounds. Here we are in the original gymnasium of the school. You can see the wooden bleachers here. These fold up, or they fold down in the down position right now where you can be seated. The original Wayne's paneling, which goes all the way around the perimeter of this particular gymnasium. And there is the single-stroke 8-inch Autocall fire alarm bell right there, right above the exit sign. Which we'll be hearing that go off here shortly. And we should be recording, and we are. Okay.